Hey, so I'm reinstalling a sliding screen door that my son's dog knocked out. He didn't damage, she didn't damage the screen, but she must have flexed it substantially to have it pop out of the top cavity. So top doesn't have a rail, it has a cavity that the screen itself goes into. And then the bottom does have a rail that you have to nest on. These double groove wheels on the bottom and the top. They have them by the top because you can flip the door over for the different swing. But these all have, what's interesting, that many people don't know, when I was doing home inspections, people didn't know, these all have adjustable, like limiting screws here that you can loosen to let the wheel plunge the whole way inside this cavity. And that's what you'll have to do here. I should be able to drop it in, now that I've loosened those, in the cavity. Use my foot to hold it. Go down. Now this is the difficult part. I still use like a metal paint scraper under that wheel, or it doesn't, sometimes it just will not go in. So I do that, I slide it over the exact rail, which is right here, and I'll pull that out, and that will go in. See, over here I'll have to do the same thing. It's pretty hard to get them in otherwise. But now it's nice. And while I have it off, you want to clean the inside of this edge. You can't get to it otherwise. And so you can use a knife blade or something else, but you'll need probably something thin and metal. I've tried plastic, but sometimes it kind of scrapes it and stuff, the plastic. So that's the tip for today. Thanks.